I'm Tori. I work with the Sophia Mystery School, and this retreat was actually gifted to me. It was already kind of in my field and I was totally interested in it, and then it was one of those things that just kind of, it was presented and I followed my intuition on it, and I'm so happy that I did because it was one of the most profound experiences I've ever had in my life. I have worked with sacred sacraments in the past, but nothing was quite like this. I feel like I did have some resistance when I first started doing it, but the more that I worked through it, the more that I was just able to release and shed, and Marcy was incredible, and her entire team, especially Cami and Dana and everybody, they make you feel so supported that you know that you're in a safe container, and they were so good at saying that over and over and over again, you know. And yeah, it was truly one of the most amazing things that I've ever done, honestly. So I think that if it's something that you are interested in, this is not your regular retreat, so to speak. It's not something where if you're just here to like have a good time, or you're like, oh, I just want to go and it's really for an experience. Like if you're actually trying to heal yourself and shed those layers and become the newest version of yourself, this is the perfect thing for you to do, because I know that's what I came into it with. I kind of had an open mind with it because it came on so sudden. It was, like I said, it was a gift that I was presented to, and I just followed whatever came through. My main intention with it was to break through just break through limiting beliefs and feel safe in myself and safe in my expression. And I can fully say that I feel that completely. I feel so much lighter, and I feel like I can actually be seen and create a former sense of intimacy with people and connection. So it is truly one of the most, I could say it over and over and over again. It is the most profound thing that's ever happened to me, and it was so beautiful to watch everybody else go through their experience, and just the way that the whole team was able to flow. And you know, there was facilitators around, so there was never a moment where you felt that you felt unsupported. You were always just held in this beautiful space. And you know, even though it was the first day, looking back at the first day compared to the last day, I feel like I had a full-blown transition of kind of hiding almost in a room and being scared and overwhelmed, but then working through it and then having a really lovely time, and then, you know, breaking through certain barriers. And then the last time it was just in total bliss the whole time. So I would highly recommend this.